Good morning, 10th class children. Get ready for the class. We are doing progressions. I already explained what are the progressions: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. In the introduction, I explained already what is arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. If you have doubt, open your notes and see on first class. First class of the progression. Now, yesterday we derived the formula for finding the sum of the arithmetic progression. Sum of the arithmetic progression. Sum. I will write here formula. Please note down. Sum of the incomes of the ABCs. Sum of the incomes. Sum of the incomes of AP of AP is equal to L by 2 of 2A plus N minus 1 of the R N by N by 2 of A plus N, where A is first term, N is last term. N is number of terms. Now, sum of first n natural numbers. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash n last term is n. This formula is n by 2 of A plus L. A plus L. First term 1, n, last term n. Now this is n of n plus 1 by 2. N of n plus 1 by 2. And third, sum of first n odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dash 2n minus 1. Last one. This is formula n squared. And sum of first n even numbers. Sum of n even numbers. Even numbers means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dash last term 2n. The last odd number is 2n minus 1. Now this is n of n plus 1. Substitute in the formula. Substitute in this formula. A is 2, L is 2n. Substituting in this n only, A 2, last term 2n. Then this is n by 2 of taking 2 common 1 plus n. So to cancel, we get n of n plus 1. This is the sum of first n even numbers. This is first n odd numbers. I will show for this also. Apply n by 2 of a 1 and n last term 2n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. N by 2 of 2n. 2 cancel. N into n squared. So sum of the first n odd numbers is n squared. Sum of first n even numbers is n of n plus 1 and natural numbers is n of n plus 1 by 2. These are the three formulae. First, this is for the n natural numbers. This is for natural numbers. N squared is for the odd numbers, and this is for even numbers. Sum of n even numbers, sum of n odd numbers, sum of natural numbers. These are the formulae, you please remember. And this is general formula for arithmetic progression. Formula n by 2 of a plus n. This is natural numbers, and this is odd numbers. This is even numbers. So these are the formulae. You should go. Every day you write 10 times, and at the term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 of b. Immediately we have to write the formula. Now let us find the sum of the following. Find the sum. Find the sum. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus dash dash 10 terms. Sum to 10 terms. 10 terms. Second, minus 37 and minus 33 minus 28 dash dash 2 12 terms. So two problems are given. Series is given. We have to find sum. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 7 minus 2 5. So write directly 5 and n is equal to 10. Substitute in the formula. Substitute in the formula. Sn, for first write formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of b. What is n? N is 10. 10 by 2. And 2a. A value is 2. First term. And n value 10. 10 minus 1 d. D is 5. Now 200 to 5 are 4 plus 9 minus 5 45. 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 5 45. 45 plus 4 49. 5 into 49. 5 9s are 45. 245. This is the method of finding sum to n terms of the series. This is formula. This is sum of 10 terms. Tested sum to 10 terms. Similarly, do this. Apply the formula. Just I am giving you time 5 minutes. A equal to minus 37, and common difference b, 37 minus 33 minus of minus 37 minus 33 plus 37 is 4, and n is equal to 12. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of t. Now n 12 by 2 is 12 of 2a. A value is minus 37, n value 11, 12 minus 1, 11. D is 4. Now 6 of minus 74 plus 44. Now this is 6 of minus 30. This is minus 180. So like this we have to find 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 as 200 terms. 100 terms. And 1 by 15, 1 by 15 comma, 1 by 12 comma, 1 by 10 comma dash dash 11 terms. Like this. Right here a first, what is a? A is 0.16. What is d? Subtract 1.1, and n 100 terms. Substitute. Write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Now S 100 is equal to n 100 by 2. 2a value is 0.6, 99, b value 1.1. Simplify. 100 by 2 is 50. This is 1.2. 2 6 are 12. And the 99 is multiplied by 11. 11 9 are 99. 99. 8. 2 decimals. And only one decimal. 108.9. 108.9. Add it, multiply by 50. Now add 108.9 plus 1.2. Add 9 to 11, 10, 1, 1, 110.1. 50 into 110.1. Multiply 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 0 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Decimal 1 cancel. This is the sum. And this one, fractions here. A equal to 1 by 50 and D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 50. LCM 60. 12 5s are 15 4s are. And 1 by 60 is D. And N is 11. Substitute. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of b. Now S11 terms, 11 by 2 into 2a. A value is 1 by 15, and then 10 minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10. 10 into b value 1 by 60. 1 by 60. Okay. 11 minus 1, 10. and D value 1 by 6. So this is 11 by 2 or 11 by 2 of 2 by 15 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. LCM 30. 11 by 2 into LCM 30. 15 twos are 2 twos are 4 plus 6 fives are 5. And this is 11 by 2 of 9 by 30. Now 99 by 6 is the answer. This is the sum of 11 terms. It is very useful formula for finding sum. And one more I will explain. Second one. 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus dash dash 84. The first term, last term given, n is not given, but series is given. And second, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash dash 10. See this. Here A is 7, B is 10 and a half minus 7, that is 3 and a half, that is 7 by 2. Subtract 10 and a half minus 7, 3 and a half. 3 and a half means 7 by 2. And nth term we know, last term, L is equal to An is equal to 84. We know the formula An formula A plus n minus 1 of D. Nth term we know, given last term 84, first term 7, N we don't know, and D value is 7 by 2. Plus 7 will come this side as minus, this into 7 by 2 becomes going that side as 2 by 7. 84 minus 7 and into 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. This is 14 minus 7, 7, 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. 7 1 is 7 11, 22 plus 1 is equal to n. 23 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 23. We have to find the sum of n terms, 23 terms. Now, Sn is equal to n by 2 of, here we can use a plus l, because we know l last term. This is L, this is A. This is A, this is L. L or A. And N is 23. We can use this formula also. Since we know the last term, we can use second, this formula. S23, sum of 23 terms is equal to 23 by 2 into A value 7, L value 84, and this is 23 by 2 of 91. Multiply and divide. 23, 91 into 23, multiply. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 3902, 2093 by 2. So this is 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12.5. This is the formula. This is the way how to find such problems. and here A equal to 34 and B equal to minus, this is descending order, minus 2, 32 minus 34, and L is equal to AN is equal to 10. Let us find N now using this nth term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. AN is 10, A value 34, N value we don't know, and D value minus 2. And this plus 34 will come instead as minus 10 minus 34 into minus 2 will come instead as y is equal to n minus 1, and minus 24 by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 30. We have to find sum to 13 terms. Sum to 13 terms is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L, and n is S13 is equal to 13 by 2 of A value 34, L value 10. Now 13 by 2 into 44, 2 1 to 22, 32 are 26, 26 to 28. 286 is the sum of 13 terms. So like this we have to do, and others you do at home. 6.3.